He back. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I'm turned up. Y'all seen the intro. Big Meech back. Yes, indeed, man. Big Meech back. Back, man. We pulled a power move. Didn't add back, man. All I can say, man, pulled a power move, boy. It been a hustle. Why y'all think I've been scrambling all week, man? I ain't been able to put up videos and stuff. I missed a couple of days, man. I was scrambling. When I got everything I needed, every piece I needed for this thing, man, it was on. And still needed some more pieces, man. Had to spend a little more money. Cause a few pieces I missed, but it was cool. I wasn't complaining. But Meech back. Meech back, man. Like I said, if you missed the birthday cookout, I debuted it at the birthday cookout, man. That's why I kept it a secret. When I was doing the vlogs, man, I went showing the corner over there called Meech was gone. Meech was gone, man. I got sent a huge shout out to Lawless. Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication, man. They're my guys. 5 days. I told my boy, man, I had told him ahead of time. I said, hey, all my pieces here. When the heartbeat got done, it was official. And I'm going to tell y'all, to make this happen in such a short time, call, it was exactly 78 days I was back. From the time that old engine blew up to me getting oil pressure was exactly 78 days. Later on down the line, I'm gonna do a video talking about if you want to get make something happen that fast, especially this caliber of stuff, like you got to spend money. I had to pay. I had to pay, man. That's all I'm saying to pull this off. Cause I wanted this car back, and I was hoping. Cause soon as it blew up, y'all, I was on it. I skint down, man. Like soon as it blew up, you know, you had your first day, you be kind of sour taste in your mouth. Got up, I said, man, it's time to go ahead and do it. I told wife, I was like, man, I'm finna go ahead and do what I need to do. And I started skinning down, getting the heart stuff together, man, getting the heartbeat ready. That was the most critical part, definitely the most expensive part. Everything about I ran it expensive now. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. But I started skinning down right after that, man. Right after that, and I was like, I'm finna get Meech together, man. I told wife, and Meech been the one that been down the longest. I've been the most patient with it. But I knew how I want to do this course, and I had to save the best for last, man, and it was well worth it. I saved the best for last for a reason, man. It was well worth it, cause y'all know this the one that means something to me, man. If you ain't looked at that whole birthday cookout vlog, you got to look at it, man. I kind of broke down at the, I broke down at the end, man. Still started hitting me and all that end of the vlog, but you know. You gotta go look at that vlog, man. That whole vlog, it's an hour long, man. It's moving. But Meech back, man. I got shot at Lawless 5 days. Promise you. 5 days, man. I took the car over there, took all the pieces. Them boys went to work, man. 5 days. They started Monday. They delivered this joker on my birthday, man. I received this car on my birthday. My birthday was September 30th. I received this car on my birthday, man. They did in 5 days. Got it back. Just like that. So, and I had to change a few things called it's some pressure. It's some pressure. If you heard it on the birthday and the birthday cookout vlog, you already see what it hit like. But the only reason I pulled it on the trailer, cause it's still a true street car. Everything, it been dynoed, man. I done skint down. I done made some moves. It been dynoed, everything, the whole nine. I told you I saved the best for last, man. This my boy. I'm gonna treat him with the best treatment. I treat all my cars good, but this the one. This the one. I know exactly what I'm dealing with. I knew what I wanted to do, and I done did it. So the only reason I put it on the trailer is because I ain't got enough clearance right here on these 24. The car sitting so low, like when you put some weight in it, man, it'll chew the tire out. So we didn't find it out the Friday. So, and then my shocks, man, my custom valve shocks, they ain't gonna be done for a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna buy some QA1 carloads just to go on the front for right now. Don't get me wrong, I got some shocks on it. They ain't factory shocks, but I'm gonna put something on the front of it just to raise it up for right now, cause it's not dire need. Since I'm not about to really be pouring it to it, cause this joke gonna break something, man. I can tell off top. It gonna break something. That's what me and little bro talking about. This car gonna break something, man. This a whole nother ball game right here. For real. No lie. But it back, man. I'm about to take the wheels off so I can drive it. Like I ain't even drove it. So I can really drive it cause it's scrubbing so bad. But I put on the trailer cause I wanted it to cook out on the 24 though. But I'm gonna be getting that situated where I can put the folds back on. But for right now I'm gonna put the 15s on. But for the ones that don't know or ain't heard it. Oh yeah, and before I do that, I got to shout out my boy Pools TV with his shirt. Hold on. Wind blowing. I need to start putting my microphone back. Using my microphone. But this shirt here is so nice. And let me tell y'all something. I get offered a lot of shirts. I support people, but when somebody got a clothing brand that has a meaning behind it, that's what it's about. And this right here, NR, no surrender, no retreat. Man, it's just about positivity, man, going hard in life. And when he broke down the meaning to me, because he came to my birthday cookout, man, Pools TV. Y'all check him out on Instagram, all social media, man. He makes some good videos, too. Pools TV, P-U-L-L-S TV. All together, type it in on Instagram to pull up, shoot him a follow, man. Let him know BCG came through to support. Good guy, man. He always come out to my stuff. But he gave me this shirt, man. I will be rocking this shirt. I got his links to his Shopify store and everything in the description box where you can get this shirt, man. Go get this shirt, man, and support, cause no surrender, no retreat, man. That's what it's about in life, and y'all know that's what I preach over here on Life of Jmalcom. We don't surrender, we don't retreat, man. Like when we run into a pitfall like with these cars and like y'all see, I get right back up and keep going. And here go one standing behind me. So it was perfect that he gave this to me, cause y'all know where I came from just 7 to 8 days ago. This joker blew up, man. It hit me hard, cause y'all know I was so excited for this car. It hit me hard, man. 7 to 8 days ago, and here we are back, man. Even better. Back even better. So no surrender, no retreat, man. The link gonna be in the description box, man. So I want y'all to go support him, man. It's that's a good meaning, man. We support good people. If somebody positive, we support them. If they on their BS, I ain't gonna fool with you. Get off rim. Look at that. I ain't gotta get in it. I ain't gotta get in it. Oh my God. Boy, what? Look at that car. The car rocking. Look at that pressure, boy. Look at the door. Feel it all in my chest, man. You gotta hear this thing in person. You got to hear this thing in person. Oh my God, bro. Alright, Meech. Alright, Meech. Alright, my boy. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. My boy said, man, y'all took me for a joke. Y'all took me for a joke. Let me tell y'all something. I know how they finna go, right? I know how they finna go. Every time I drop a bill, people think my junk be a joke. People think it's a game, right? They sleep on me. But when I tell y'all, this right here is some pressure. It's some pressure now. Everything I got, some pressure, but this some pressure. I promise you. This joker either gonna do one or two things. When I do, take it to the track. If I take it to a sticky track, I'm gonna say that. Either this joker gonna break something or it gonna, boy. I'm talking about on the motor. Before I even shoot that crack to it, on the motor, this joker gonna either break something or when I say it's gonna go. And boy, it gonna get wicked. Get wicked. hey, I promise you it's gonna be showtime, man. All my BCG people that support me, man, I'm telling you, it well worth the wait. Y'all got to understand my energy, man. I'm excited. This is it right here, man. I'm telling you. I promise y'all. You part of my BCG fam, man. I ain't gonna let y'all down. Y'all come through and watch me every day. Support me, man. We finna turn up. We finna turn up with Meech. That's why I'm finna throw these tires on right now. But before I did that, man, I had to do an official solo video for Meech to let the world know he back. The real OG box, YouTube OG right here, man, is back and it's still around. It's still around, man. It's back. So I had to do y'all a solo video first. Let y'all hear that pressure. That pressure. I'm telling you, boy. So look, man, Meech back. Next time y'all see it, it's gonna be on the 15. Then when I get the shots on, it's gonna be back on the 24. It's a little higher in the front, call. I'm talking about this week, man. I'm trying to pick the kids up from school and everything. Y'all know I do real street car, but they well thought out, and you just spend the money. You got to get some good equipment when you want these things fast and driving. You got to get some good equipment. Pump gas. This thing here run on pump gas, man. 93. I ain't got to mix no gas, none of that. Straight 93 octane. And to get with it on 93 or race fuel, it'll get with it. I promise y'all gonna see. Y'all know I ain't let y'all down with Dolo. Look at Dolo when I popped out one of my combinations with Dolo. It's on. It's on, man. And we got a lot of heat coming to the channel this week. I got a couple of people coming by. And one of them finna be tinkering with, man. We finna get him a little faster. A little faster. We're gonna be doing some TNT. So yeah, man. I said this just a video cause I had to give Meech his own video. Let y'all know Meech back for the ones that don't look at everything and ain't look at that awesome birthday vlog. If you look at the vlog, you heard it. You heard it, you were part of the moment, you saw it. And if you was out there, you were really part of the moment. But Meech back, man. Meech back. I'm about to take these wheels off, man, and get with it, man. And we're gonna have content coming all this week, so y'all get ready, man. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.